Looking for the ultimate cleaning solution? Pressure washers in 2025 are more powerful, efficient, and user-friendly than ever. From blasting away grime on driveways to gently cleaning your car, these machines handle it all with ease. Let's dive into the best pressure washers of 2025 and find the perfect one for your cleaning needs. The LWQ electric pressure washer is an absolute cleaning game changer. If you're tired of scrubbing stubborn dirt off your driveway or trying to get your car sparkling clean, this powerhouse has got your back. With an incredible 4,200 pounds per square inch of pressure and a steady 2.5 gallons per minute flow rate, it can tackle everything from oil stains to mossy patios like a pro. The best part? It's super easy to use. You get 4 quick connect nozzles to switch between tasks, plus a foam cannon that makes car washing feel almost luxurious. Even though it's packed with power, it's lightweight, easy to move, and a breeze to set up. No tools needed. Its durable design and safety features like an automatic shutoff mean it's built to last, so you can keep things clean without worrying about wear and tear. If you're looking for something that delivers top-notch results and makes cleaning less of a chore, the LWQ is definitely worth checking out. The PowRyte electric pressure washer is a cleaning powerhouse with a jaw-dropping 5,000 psi and 3.0 GPM, making it a top pick for tackling the toughest jobs. From blasting grime off driveways to rejuvenating patios and fences, this washer does it all. It comes with 4 interchangeable pressure tips, allowing you to adjust the intensity for different surfaces, whether you're gently rinsing your car or going full throttle on stubborn grease. The included foam cannon is a standout feature, delivering thick, luxurious foam for an effortless and satisfying clean, especially for cars and outdoor furniture. What sets the PowRyte apart is how it balances incredible power with ease of use. Despite its industrial-grade specs, it's designed to be user-friendly, with an ergonomic handle, sturdy wheels, and quick connect fittings that make setup a breeze. Plus, its robust build ensures it's ready to withstand regular use, even for the most demanding cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a pressure washer that combines brute force, versatility, and convenience, the PowRyte electric pressure washer is a brilliant investment for any home or small business in 2025. The CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer is a compact and reliable cleaning solution for everyday tasks around the home. With 1,700 psi and 1.2 GPM, it's perfect for lighter jobs like washing cars, cleaning outdoor furniture, rinsing windows, and refreshing decks. It's not about overpowering performance here. It's about consistent, manageable cleaning power that's great for delicate surfaces and smaller projects. This corded pressure washer is incredibly easy to use with a lightweight design that's easy to move around and store. Despite its size, it's packed with useful features like a quick connect wand and nozzles for versatile cleaning options. Plus, it's built with CRAFTSMAN's trusted durability, so you know it's made to last. If you're looking for a hassle-free, budget-friendly pressure washer to handle routine cleaning without breaking a sweat, the CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer is a fantastic choice. The Active 2.0 electric pressure washer is a sleek and powerful cleaning tool that combines efficiency and versatility. With a peak pressure of 1,800 psi and an impressive 2.0 GPM flow rate, it's perfectly balanced to handle a variety of cleaning tasks, from blasting dirt off patios to gently washing vehicles and siding. Unlike many pressure washers, the Active 2.0 is designed for precision and efficiency, offering plenty of power without being overwhelming. One of its standout features is the wall mount option, which saves space and keeps your cleaning area organized. A big plus for those with limited storage. It's easy to set up and even easier to use, with a compact design and an electric-powered motor that eliminates the noise and fumes of gas-powered models. This washer also includes interchangeable nozzles for customizable cleaning and is built with durability in mind, ensuring it can withstand regular use. If you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly, and space-saving pressure washer that doesn't compromise on performance, the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. The DEWALT electric pressure washer, 2,100 psi, is a robust and reliable cleaning tool designed with durability and performance in mind, making it ideal for both home use and tough job site applications. with 2,100 pounds per square inch of cleaning power. It delivers the right amount of force for medium-duty tasks like cleaning patios, driveways, siding, and even equipment. Its compact design and rugged frame ensure it can handle demanding environments without taking up too much space. What sets this pressure washer apart is its job site ready build, featuring a durable steel frame, oversized wheels for easy maneuvering, and a high-performance electric motor that delivers consistent power. It's also user-friendly with a quick connect system for nozzles and accessories, making it simple to switch between tasks. The DEWALT name guarantees quality and reliability, so you can trust this washer to get the job done efficiently and last through years of heavy use. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, professional-grade pressure washer that's tough enough for job site use but versatile enough for home projects, the DEWALT electric pressure washer is a fantastic pick for 2025. And there you have it, our top pressure washer picks for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Got a favorite pressure washer or questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.